Hey, Patricia. I'm going to record what I'm doing on the screen so you can see what you might be doing differently than what I'm doing. So when we look at the problem, right here, this box, it says how many minutes did she drive total? Well, she drove 3 hours total, right? So 3 hours would be 3 times 160, right? So that'd be 180 because there's 60 minutes in an hour. We hit try. Now, how far could Caroline drive in 180 minutes? So we would put our answer right here. Okay. So I think what you were doing is I think you were forgetting to put that thing in the box above. Okay, so let me try. So how far would she drive in 180 minutes? Well, if she drove 37.5 miles in 30 minutes, and there's 180 divided by 30 would be 6. So what's 6 times 37.5? And that should be my answer. Okay, I get 225. And again, I'm doing this for you, so you're probably going to get the answer right. So I'm going to hit submit. Are you sure you want to answer this? Yes. Okay. Yep, we got it right. And it goes through and it tells you how to work the problem out. Okay. So we're going to go, there's other ways to work it out. We're going to go to the top. Okay. We're going to go to the next problem. Okay. So right here, what you have to do is you have to fill in this little box right here to go to the next thing. Okay. So, Justin bought strawberries for $3.20. What's the price per dollar? Go through, fill that in, hit try. So let's say I get the wrong, I'm just going to pick a random number, 56. Hit try. Convert the number to pounds to ounces. So, that's wrong. So I'm going to try it again. So 1 pound is 16 ounces. So if there's, how many ounces of strawberries? So 1 pound is 16 ounces. And they say, how many ounces of strawberries did he buy? He bought 1 pound, so that would be 16 ounces. So we're going to type in 16. Hit try. Okay. Now, I want you to finish the problem, and I want you to submit your answer right here, okay? And finish the problem, all right? So I am going to go back. Remember, your new password is math. And I've already gotten one of them right for you, so go ahead and finish it up, okay? Hope that helped.